Are you ready to travel? It's time to stop by or call us, Magnolia Travel and Cruise, and we'll design a trip to suit your personal needs. Cruises have never been a better buy. On today's new cruise ships, you can climb a rock wall, drive a golf ball, ice skate, or watch movies under the stars, even surf on a flow rider. Who doesn't love the big Hawaiian Islands? From boisterous Oahu with its fine restaurants, shopping, and historic Pearl Harbor to the quiet rainforests of Kauai, the erupting volcano on the Big Island of Hawaii to the romantic, endless white sand beaches of Maui. For another romantic destination, think Australia. The land down under will send you home with lasting visions of its dazzling scenery and big blue skies. Then there's majestic Alaska, offering great adventure whether by larger or a small cruise ship or on land by sightseeing train to Denali National Park and a brisk hike followed by barbecued salmon caught that very day, maybe even by you. Let's not overlook Great Britain, Ireland, and Europe. No matter what you fancy, the colorful city life of London, Dublin, or Paris, or the tranquility of lush countryside, we have the trip for you. Call Magnolia Travel and Cruise at 800-294-8747 and visit us on the web at www.magnoliatravel.com. Don't forget to visit us on Facebook too.